Guys, welcome to Encyclo Hub. We are discussing here question number 4. And before starting this, I want to share something. Encyclo Hub is providing the PDF handwritten form assignments. So if you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238. And if you need online tuition, so you can also contact. Here we are discussing the question number 4a. How can practicing yoga be helpful in self development across life stages? And illustrate with the relevant examples of how practicing yoga can benefit people from your age group. So, we have prepared all the answers according to the word limits or the um, according to the chapter wise. If you need answer of all the questions, you can contact us on our WhatsApp. We will provide all the answers accordingly by PDF or handwritten also. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.